Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I'm going to introduce to you FMCPAY. This is an exchange just like Bybit and Binance. This exchange is a good mine for those who have been following this exchange. They are reaping already from their investment. So they have a two coin here. They have a FMCPAY and they have a PayNet coin. So in this exchange you can buy these coins and stake them for a long period of time while you earn a good APY. But that is not the reason why I am introducing this. Do you know you can also mine this or you can claim this FMCPAY for free? There's I think it's a Christmas bonanza going on. You can claim this FMCPAY free. You get free coin. What do you do? Once you register or you have an account already and you have not visited your app, this exchange for a long time, this is an opportunity as you're watching the video for you to go back to the exchange and open it. Once you open it, you will see object like this image. They will appear. For example, this is one of them. As you tap, you claim 8 FMCPAY. So I've already claimed this one, so we look for them. It is better in a laptop. If you have laptop, you can open it on your laptop. At least you can claim 5 times, but here is like 3 to 4 times. So this is the dashboard. We have claimed the first one. Let's go for the second one. Let's click market and see whether it will appear here. Let's go to trade. Okay, it has appeared. You can see it here. Let me use the arrow button to show you. This is it. Tap on it to open it. I'm claiming 11 FMCPAY. So that is for trade. P2P, let's see if it will open. Let's go to wallet, and then we have one in the wallet. Okay, see it here. So I'm going to claim this FMC. So this is how you can claim yours. Just be accumulating it. If you go to the market, you will see the price of FMC already climbing up. This is the price for. Let's open it and see the price. Look at the price there, 0.0020. So this is moving up. I think by January this price will skyrocket. A lot of people are staking their own coin too. So let's go to overview. You can do this repeatedly on daily basis. Give it 5 minutes, you come back to your app and open it. Every 5 minutes you come and claim. Before you know it, you can accumulate 2,000 coin a week, so a day. So look at what I have accumulated so far. Where is mine? It's not showing. It's better on laptop anyway. I can easily show you my coin. Okay, look at, it's not showing here. Let's go to wallet back. Okay, it's not appearing. Okay, I've seen it. Look at it here. Let me open it here. It's under events. Look at what I've accumulated so far. 519. So you can do better. Watch this video and follow the process. I will drop the link for you to join if you have not registered on this exchange. So you can watch other video on my playlist and follow the process in those videos. So if this is your first time of coming across my channels, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive other updates the moment it is available. Also subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.